Well, have you lost your furry friend? Well, the days following New Year's Eve, many pets go missing due to distractions or loud noises during New Year's celebrations. News 4 Tucson's Isabella Fredrickson spoke to the Pima Animal Care Center and has more on the effort to get those pets back home where they belong.
A Tucson woman had a New Year's Eve full of surprises, and by the time the taco dropped here in Tucson, she had already experienced the ups and downs of losing a pet and then some. I virtually spoke with Jocelyn Mendez, who within the last day endured losing a pet, reuniting with a pet, and finding not one but 2 dogs, all before the clock struck midnight.
In our neighborhood, people were throwing fireworks as soon as sun started setting, and he got spooked and he ran out of our yard.
Thankfully, someone posted her dog on the Tucson Lost and Found dog page, and she was able to pick him up and reunite with her dog within 2 hours. While Jocelyn thought the rest of her New Year's Eve would be relaxed, more surprises were in store.
And this black and white dog, he showed up at my doorstep scared. And then we also have a husky outside who I've been trying to get him in, but he's frightened.
Sadly, this is a very common experience among pet owners.
In early 2023, we saw about 310 stray pets come into the shelter in the week after New Year's.
Jocelyn immediately knew both of these dogs had homes.
He's very well trained, so I know he belongs to somebody. Good boy.
Jocelyn hopes the dog owners can find their dogs. However, in the meantime, she doesn't mind keeping them company.
I actually have 6 dogs. I love dogs. I've always had dogs my whole life.
PAC says if you find a lost dog, the best thing you can do is take a photo of it. Upload these photos to Facebook pages for lost pets, neighborhood groups, and of course the Love Lost site, which is a facial recognition site that matches lost dogs to their owners. PAC says that bringing it into their shelter should be a last resort as they are at critical capacity. Reporting from Midtown, Isabella Fredrickson, News 4 Tucson.
Coming up on News 4 Tucson.